Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Ford F-250 XLT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 64,000 kilometers on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.